And also the square is so simple, if you get a equation in your exam, I would prefer square other than any other shapes because it's simple to do calculations.
So until
Exactly,
now they
as
discussed
square.
the geometry, what square symbolizes. When coming to with geometry, the square is an rectangular quadrilateral, and when coming to area, it can be calculated. If the side is a, we can take it as a square, or if we have diagonal, we can
Just
square by two. Very
Yeah, I agree with Charita. Square is a mathematical
it
geometry.
has four equal sides.
The square is highly symmetrical object. There are four equal lines reflecting symmetry. We see a square is close to dimensional shape. Ma'am, I am not able to turn on the camera. A square is a closed two-dimensional shape with four equal sides. A square is a quadrilateral. We see we can find the shape of the square in a game board or chessboards, a clockboard, and in a silent of board around us. In mathematical, a square is the result of multiplying a number by itself. The verb to square is used to denote the operation. Yeah, square is the same as rising to the power 2 and it is donated by subscription.
And how can we
Yeah,
forget that in our childhood we saw all those chess boards and all the Ludo boards. They all were square. They all had squares in them because square is a symbol also for the linearity. Like in chess, we can say that the elephant moves either upward or sideways. So it is linear in nature. And for diagonal movements, means you can connect with people in a linear manner. And also, I wanted to add that a square is a kind of a mysterious object that also lies within a mentality. Like we already saw that different people from different backgrounds, like as Anshul was from mathematics, so he was linking it with square. Whereas if Sudeep and other Harshul was from a philosophical background, they saw it as a shape which has a mysteriousness in it, and they linked it with human values. So square is a kind of a symbol which can be seen in other ways with when seen from another perspectives.
Yes, I would like to add something to Pratinder's point. So Pratinder nicely mentioned the point where we play around the chess with the different dices in it. Like, isn't it fascinating that how a chess game
The
is
cow.
completely inspired from the square itself? So the board is square,
Yes.
the pieces are square, the movement is bounded to the square movements around it. The each and every piece that moves in a diagonal manner, in straight manner, in sideways, it's just it is fascinating that how a thing can inspire so much and yet remain mysterious about the things that can happen with it. Like when a building is being made, its foundations are made in a square shape. It is a building gains more value if it is made in a square shape. Maximum rooms are square, and the count just goes on. So mystery and fascination, that's the two main pillars that binds the square together.
Yes, I completely agree
In
with you.
fashion
exactly.
industry also,
I
Everything around us in the world, like everything we all wanted everything to be in symmetry. So square is the only thing that is symmetrical from every point. So like there is a Rubik's cube, which is the most sold toy in the world, and it is made using like a square things in a 3D structure. So and it is like a crazy thing. It's like a craze for the youth as well as for the children who are growing, and they try to like solve the pattern of the Rubik's cube. So this is what I want to
So
say.
actually, square can be also said as a personality. Like you can say someone has a square personality. The square also means like straightforward, or someone who's straight. Like while talking about something like if someone is talking about some purpose or something else, like he's talking about the like the homework of the class, or maybe like the company's manager maybe speaking to his employees. So they would
Yes.
have
Now
a
I would like Abhijit
In order
to
to give an example of the Anshu's talk, like a square personality, I wanted to add on that the people with square faces are said to be more bold in nature. They have the power or the authority in their personality.
Exactly. Square has so many
In
meanings.
fashion
Like
industry
in
also.
you can, yeah, literally have a square with a lot of meanings, like in personality, in shapes, in mathematics, in like architecture. In architecture, in the walls are always square. All the corners are 90-degree like a square. So you can always calculate the area of your wall through the normal square formula, which is length into if all the sides of the wall are equal, then the formula for square will apply for the area. But if two of the sides are equal and two of the sides are not equal, then we can use rectangle.
Even in the
exactly.
fashion
And
industry,
one Okay, so Square seems like very interesting, like in digital electronics as well. I have seen the circuits are also in the square shape connected. If they are connected in another shape, it might not work very properly. So the common shape is in square, and square has so much fact like our screen as well. Also is in square form. Imagine like if it could be in another shape, it might become an issue. So square has so many values that we can imagine as.
Yeah, I completely agree with the Herschel points, and I'd like to give a contrast on the Sarthak point that he was saying that there is a Times Square in the New York City where people used to gather in the new whenever they in the New Year day. So square also represent that square also represent that it helps in gathering the people. Like in every square in the city of in a square of every city, people used to gather. People used to gather there, so it can also be represented as a site where there will be a people with who will be able to enjoy with others and can share their mutual understanding and all. And I also like to add that if there if imagine if there won't be anything like square, then would it be possible that we will be thinking about the symmetry and all? So this is the question to all. Kindly, if you
uh,
have any answer or reply, you can answer it.
Sudeep, I would like
So actually, the
In
exactly the
last,
thing that I
I
was
just
saying
want to
earlier.
conclude that.
So the Times Square represents the people are binding together, people are joining, people are having fun together, people have a motive there that they are gathered around to enjoy the day, enjoy the New Year's Eve together. That's what I was trying to say that square unites people everywhere. It, when especially here we are talking about Times Square, so it is uniting people. People are coming together in and sharing the common motive and enjoying and working on it.
So, good morning, friends. Uh, I have shared everything about Square, and each of you have explained how Square feels to you or how you think Square is. We can all see that there is Square around us all the time. There are Square watches, and the first thing that comes to my mind when we hear the word Square is the cube, the Rubik's cube, because I'm crazy about cubes and I love Rubik's cubes. So Rubik's cube is something that requires something we require some meditation, not meditation, it calms us to brings us, as is the square. When we see square pieces, it's like a symbol of peace, something, because every single side is equal, and we feel ourselves as an equal in the world. And then that square is not a square for everybody. It's something that keeps us different and makes us feel unique and equal to in the world. That's what the square means to me.
Yes, I
At
totally
last,
agree
I
with
just
all of
want
you
to
because everyone has their
point of
own
my friend
perspective to see things and
square
observe
is a
things. But
rectangular
in my way, I
quadrature,
think
which means that
square is like a regular polymer. Is like that. It means a polymer that is a equiangular means all sides have same line. And I think we can describe a square by many definitions like a rectangle with two adjacent angle sides and a rhombus with a right angle.
We can actually conclude that that square is a basic shape and it's universal also. Square is universal, and it may be also in the like in the solar system or the Milky Way. There can be many of the shapes in the universe which can be square. So it may be universal and also like also outside
Also,
Earth also square
So I
I
shape.
would
think
like
that we
to
should also
invite
give
Sahil and
some.
Utkarsh before we
I think
conclude
we
our
should also
meeting.
give some
We should
possibilities
also speak.
towards the future of the square, because square is a shape that that is considered to be symmetric. So NASA has tried to
I
make
just
square
want to
robots.
conclude all my points of my friends it is square is probably one of the first mathematical tools
Issues with your voice.
square is a rectangular quadrature, which means that it has four equal sides and four equal angles. So it is very attractive. It is also a polygon. Like in mathematics, square is multiplying a number by itself, and it also we can find its area by like formula square if the side is x, and it's four line symmetry, like it shows, which makes this beautiful.
So basically, we can say in geometry, a square is a regular quadrilateral, which means that it has four equal sides and four equal angles. And it can also be defined as a rectangle in which there are two adjacent sides have equal length. And as Adidev and Ricky said, it has four equal sides and it also represents equality. And Square helps millions of sellers run their business from secure credit processing at the point of a sale solution. And its properties are like equilateral polygon, convex polygon, uh, isogonal figure, regular polygon.
The beauty about square is any four sides quadrilateral can be converted into square because we can call a rectangle a square and everything. And I also want to say that it is very important term in fashion industry. Even if we see a live example, the couch Pritinder is sitting, there are square patterns in that. Like it represents, it makes the view or the thing we are preparing very clear.
So like most of the kid games also like we have seen Ludo, we have seen chess, we've seen Snake Ladder. So these games like small kids play nowadays too. These are like the board game. Also the Monopoly game. It always contains square boxes because that's like a universal thing. Like people use squares for like all these games and everything, so that the dice or the thing can like fit in that. And yeah, so square is used like everywhere we can see all over the world, like on the earth. So yeah.
Good morning, everyone. I want to say that we all know that the square is equal from all sides, and its diagonal and angle is also equal. So it teaches that we should be must know that all people are equal, and we should not discriminate on based of caste and etc. And square is also most used shape in our surrounding. And square is also most commonly used term in mathematics.
And see, not
And
just
see,
that,
not just that,
square
choir
also
also
symbolizes
symbolizes
perfection.
perfection.
See, we are living
See,
in
we
a
are
round
living in a
world,
round world.
so I
So
advise
I
that
advise
we all
that
be like
we all be like
square.
square.
And there are
And
certain
there
type
are
of
certain
people
type of
who are
people who
fake
are
in nature,
fake in
who are
nature,
fake in
who
their
are
life.
fake in their life.
They
You know,
need to be like
they need to be like
square. From when we see look through each side, all the sides are equal. It shows perfection. Humans cannot be perfect, but we can try or we can aim to become perfect, just like square.
Yeah. So yes. So Ricky
All
also
right,
said
all
we
right,
can.
fine. I
Yep.
have given you the scores, people. I am just waiting for Anshul Pandey because he has not given his opinion yet. Else, I have given scores. So, people, just mute yourself. I would like to know the opinion of Anshul Pandey.
As everyone said about
Everyone said
square
about
topic,
square
then
topic, then
uh,
uh,
everyone has
the
different perceptions regarding this topic. Someone is thinking psychologically, and someone is thinking like mathematically. And some students are also talking about this, like they've seen many practical designs about this square. So I just want to say this that square has its own value, like it has its own mathematical value as well as practical value. It is very different from other designs, like if we know about circle, nothing is symmetrical, but square and circle is known to be symmetrical for very long time. And four vertices with four sides, that's all I can explain about a square. Square is a perfect shape which is which does include so many signs, so many vertices. And we can use this shape as anything we can describe as. We can also say that the sum of the all interior angles are 360 degrees of square, and the diagonals of the square bisect each other meet at 90 degree.
Yeah, I want to add one point. Like we have talked about square has so much benefits, but square has also some other disadvantages as well. Like I was saying, like screen of our TV is in square shape, but the pixels are in circle shape. So with the millions combination of pixels, a screen is formed. So that means a circle value is smaller than the square, because circle seems quite a universal thing, because circle is used so much. Like our tires as well are also in circle shape. If it could be in square shape, it might not work properly. If our in ancient India there was a myth like earth was in square shape. But if earth is in square shape, after we concluded that it is in circular shape. In circular shape, the circular orbit and the motion of the orbit is quite very perfect, isn't it? And one more point, like I was saying, like Sarthak has said, the room walls are in square shape. Same, like somebody speaks with the 100 people sitting in the room. So their voice echo strikes that to them and create an huge and positive environment. That means square also help in doing a perfect echo as well, rather than in using a circular room, isn't it?
That's a very debatable topic, just because you are talking about circle in the sense of squares, because every shape has its own value, its own importance. So we can't say we can compare like each one of the shapes. So it's a very debatable topic.
Yeah, I guess both are equal. values.
So yeah, the opposite, like everyone would be wondering like what is the opposite for square. So opposite of square can be many. So it can be for in shapes we can say the opposite of square can be circle, triangle, um, pear shaped or sphere or something like maybe like star shaped. So these are all the opposites. And for in personality wise, for a personality of a person, if a person is straightforward, so in personality wise the opposite word would be trendy. So you can, do you know like what trendy means? So that what it means in like opposite. So it means like if a person is straightforward, so trendy is more like going with the going with what's new. And square means like staying the same and not changing your behavior or maybe or your thoughts. So yeah, so the opposite for the in personality wise of square would be trendy, would be more like going to new things, learning new things, and square would be staying the same.
Okay, Anshul Sharma. Good. So, Pritinder, Charita,